Hey guys, I want to introduce you to the best WhatsApp cloud-based automation software available. Right? If you have been following my YouTube channel, you will notice that I always teach on WhatsApp marketing and automation. I have shown you how to use several autoresponders on WhatsApp and WhatsApp chatbot. But recently I found this amazing software that you can use for WhatsApp marketing and automation. The name is WAmation. Okay, WAmation has several amazing features that you can use to have a very productive marketing on WhatsApp. Some of the things you can gain from using WAmation: number one, WAmation works more like an email marketing app. Okay. Secondly, with WAmation, you can create landing pages, collect your contacts details, and as you are collecting their details, you could schedule messages ahead of that time. Just like email marketing, you can sign up on email and instantly you begin to receive automated messages from that email that you have signed up on. Alright, so what WAmation works like that. You can collect their details and instantly the leads you have generated, you can begin to message them based on the schedule of messages you have set. So with WAmation, you can schedule messages to your leads on WhatsApp. And the beautiful thing about this is that you don't need your phone to be on. So WAmation can work when your phone is active or when your phone is not active. It doesn't need data to work. All right, as long as you have scheduled all the messages on the software online. Okay. Number 3 is that with WAmation, you can group the leads you have generated. Let's say you have 3 offers that you are running, and the first lead is for people to buy your ebook. The second lead is for people to buy your WhatsApp online course, and the third one is for people to join a WhatsApp group. Whichever thing you are selling on WAmation, you can group all these contacts into different categories. Just like you have different groups on WhatsApp, you can have different contacts in different groups, so that you don't need to be sending descent messages to everybody. So you can structure the messages you want to send to group 1, to group 2, to group 3. And the beautiful thing is that irrespective of whenever anybody joins a particular group, you can determine that they receive even the first messages you set on that group from day 1, all right, till the whichever day you set that group. Okay, so that's the third thing about WAmation. The fourth thing about WAmation is that WAmation can help you save contacts automatically to your Google contacts. All right, you don't need to start saving contacts manually ever again. With WAmation, your contacts are being saved automatically. All right, with Google contacts. Also, you can send bulk SMS using WAmation. So you can send bulk SMS to all your WhatsApp contacts on different groups, on different broadcasts that you have created. Number 5 thing you can gain from WAmation is that you can hold trainings on different WhatsApp groups at the same time. You can hold training on different WhatsApp groups, 20 WhatsApp groups at the same time, teaching everybody. This WAmation is an amazing, let's say, WhatsApp email marketing, if there's anything like that, an autoresponder system in one app. All right. So that's one of the things you gain from WAmation. The 6th thing is that WAmation works for both Android phone and iPhone. The beautiful thing about WAmation is that when you sign in, the link to sign in is in the description below. Once you sign in, you will see the whole tutorial video on how to use WAmation, from registering your WhatsApp contact till sending messages to people, and everything you need for WAmation. They have done detailed tutorial video on that. Even if there's no detailed tutorial video on that, I will still produce detailed tutorial video on that for you in this channel. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you go ahead right now and subscribe and turn on all your notification bell. Here is a testimony from one of WhatsApp marketers that uses my WhatsApp for adverts a lot. So hear what he has to say concerning WAmation.
Hi guys, so if you are looking for the best WhatsApp automation tool in 2022, I want to recommend you WAmation. The reason why I recommend WAmation is because I've been using WAmation for over 45 days now, and after using several lot of automation tool, I felt this is the best. This is the best automation software you can ever use. So if you don't know me, my name is Edolo Tamara Billionaire, and they call me the digital mentor. I love helping businesses grow their traffic, visibility, conversion, and sales. And I also help newbies who are just coming up and starting out to make 6 figures to 7 figures weekly using the power of WhatsApp. So if you are someone, a business owner, or you are a total newbie, or someone, a brand or a business that want to grow, or you don't want to stress yourself managing your businesses, and you want to looking for a best automation tool to effectively manage your business for you, or make things easy for you, or save you time and stress and energy, then WAmation is the best for you. Like I said before, I have been using this for over more than a month now, and it's crazy. It's very crazy. In WAmation, you can use it to create forms. Most of the time when people want to generate traffic, they create forms using Cognito form and other form creation listing. But in WAmation, you can use it to create form. You can use it to automatically save contacts. You can use it to make VCL file. You can use it to send a bulk SMS. You can, if you are someone that will run advert or drive traffic like me, and you are looking for automation tools to help you reply messages even if you are not around, WAmation will help you automatically reply messages. How about email marketing? Through those people that are filling the form, you can use WAmation to go into send email marketing, email lists. You can create a list on WAmation and send emails to them on daily basis. You can use WAmation to send broadcast messages. Automate it day by day. You just need to set up everything. You can automate your groups on WAmation, and meaning that you can, based on time and based on trigger word. That means that you can just, if you are someone that maybe you are an information marketer and you are teaching a lot of things on WhatsApp, you can just set up your teaching on WAmation, set the time that you want WAmation to, and then when the time is all reached, WAmation will start teaching, even if you are online or you are not, even if your data is on. Based, or you are someone that is having affiliate, you can set up everything and then give a trigger word for people to add you to a group. That is how sweet it is work, even if you are not doing. And WAmation operates a 24-hour, 7 days customer service. So even if you are having any issue, you can reach out to them on WhatsApp. They will attend to you instantly. You can even refer people on WAmation and get paid passively and get paid permanently. The reason why I love WAmation is that WAmation is not an app. It's not an app, it's a website. It's not an app, it's a website. It's not an app, it's a website. And it doesn't make your WhatsApp to hang, because it's not an app. It does not work in your phone. It does not make your WhatsApp to hang. It does not trigger WhatsApp ban. And it doesn't use your phone storage. It operates a storage cloud. It's a separate website. If you are offline, even if you are offline, even if you don't have data, as long as you have set up everything and you have automated everything, it will work even if you are not. If you like, as long as you have automated everything, maybe for 7 days, if you like those 7 days, go offline. Your WAmation will do everything for you, even if you don't have data. That is how good. If you are looking for the best WAmation, WhatsApp automation app or software ever in 2022, I advise you go for WAmation. It's hot cake right now. I remain Edolo Tamara Billionaire and start using WAmation today.
Alright guys, so you've heard the testimony from this guy. It's amazing. This is the best cloud software I've heard about. I've seen influencers on Facebook that mentioned about this, and several people have signed up using it, and the testimony have been massive. So WhatsApp marketing have become much easier for anyone who wants to make WhatsApp marketing a good mind for his or her business. All you need today is to begin to use WAmation. Don't forget to share your testimony with me if you start using WAmation. Click on the link in the description below and sign up right now. Until then, see you next time.